Out so far. This is Granger Lake once again. This is a shorter ride for me. I am recovering from surgery about a month ago, so I've been off my bikes since then. And it's the first time I've been on the Challenger in about 5 weeks. And it's a good ride so far. It's a little wet on some roads. We've had cold weather. We've had freezing weather, 19 degrees I think I saw one day. Today it's 50. Still feel some tinges from my surgery. I was told by my doctor, it was hernia repair surgery, by the way. And today they do it by robot, so everything went well with it. Good recovery in the operating room at 7 a.m. and then I was home by 11, so I can't complain about that. I just was bored out of my mind, not being able to do what I usually do, trying to stay active and trying to stay busy, mess around with my bikes. I was going to do some brake pad change videos, but I never got around to that. What else? Just nice peaceful morning, good to get out. Started out foggy, sun is trying to break through. They call this partly cloudy. So far it's very cloudy. Yeah, not much else due to report, except it feels good to be back. So I'll be making more videos as time permits and ideas come into my head. But I'm going to get back on the road and enjoy the ride now that the sun is out. We're trying to break through. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.